Hey everyone, welcome to Engineering Mastery Made Simple channel. Today going to discuss about tuple operation and function in Python. What is a tuple? A tuple is a collection of elements enclosed with the parentheses, curly parentheses. It's a ordered collection, immutable, cannot be changed, allowed the duplicate values, can store the different data type in this single object. Example, T equal to open curly brace 10 20 30 close the curly brace print 30, that is output 10 20 30 within curly brace. Tuple operation, accessing the tuple element or accessed using the index numbers t equal to 100 200 300 400. Print of t of 0, print t of 2. 0, that means the value is 100, 2 means 300. Based on the index value, going to print the value, tuple value. Previously discussed how to create the tuples and how to access the tuples. This example, negative indexing 10 20 30 40, print t of -1, print t of -2. Let us see that what is the output. -1, that means of 40, -2 30. Yes, exactly, this is the output. So 40 and 30. So tuple slicing, that means how to split the start and the stop and the step based on the steps slicing, as well as the same as a string. T equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, print of start 1 to 4, print of colon 3, print of 3 colon. What is output? 1 to 4, that means of 1 2 3 4 5 maybe. What is so output 2 3 4. Index is starting with a 0, that's why. Second one is a 1 2 3 up to 3. Third one is a start with the index 3 4 5 6. Maybe you are easy to understand. Stable slicing, same as a string slicing. Slice, that means split the strings based on the index value. Concatenation, tuples can be joined using t1 equal to 1 2 3, t2 equal to 4 5 6, t3 equal to t1 plus t2, print t3. What is the output? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's see the output, how it will work on the code in the Python. Yes, exactly. The output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repetition. Tuple element can be repeating using asterisk. T equal to Python double quotes asterisk 3 print of t. So what is output? Let us assume that maybe the Python 3 times is repeated. Python comma Python comma Python. Let's see the output. Yes, exactly. Python, Python, Python 3 times repeated. Membership operators. Check whether the element is exist in the tuple code t equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Print 20 in T1, 50 in T1. So first one is a true, second one is a false. Maybe my output. Let's see the output. This is assumption output only. Yes, exactly. The first one is a true, second one is a false. Traversing a tuple using the loop to access on the elements t equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 print I in t print of I. So iterating the loop and I'm going to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's output same exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is output. Boom boom roboda roboda. Tuple function len return the number of the element t equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. So length of the tuple, what is my output? 1, 2, 3, 4. The length is 4. Let's see the output. Yes, exactly 4 is output. Max return the largest element in the tuple t equal to 3, 10, 50 and 20. Print max of t. So what is output? Is my output is 20. Let's see the output. Yes, 20 is output. Min return the smallest element, 5, 10, 15, 20. So 5 is output, min of t. Print min of t. So my output is 5. Let's see the output. 5 is output. Sum return the sum of the element, t equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Print the sum of t. So what is output? 3, 6, 10. It's my output is 10. Let's see the output. Yes, 10 is output. Exactly. My output is matched the program output. Count occurrence of the element of one element, t equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 element. Print t dot count of 2. So how many numbers are repeated the count the 2 3 times. So output is 3. Index return the index position of the element t equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Print t dot index dot 30. So 0, 1, 2. 2 is the position of the element, index position of the element. Yes, exactly. 2 is the output. Example program using tuple operation and function numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Print the first element number of 0, so it will return the 10. Print a tuple slice number 1 to 4, length of numbers. Print max of numbers, minimum meaning numbers, sum of numbers, membership 2 in numbers, sorry 20 in numbers, traversing. Print the tuple element, or for I in numbers, print of I. This is a complete example for tuple operation. It's a combined to single program. This output first element 10, tuple slice 20, 30, 40, length 5, maximum 50, minimum 10, sum 150. Some member true, tuple elements are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Advantages: faster than list, data cannot be modified accidentally. Useful, it is very useful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, click over the bell symbol for further video update.